So another AI tool that's built for education, which is a bit closer to home, is TeachMate AI. It's English-based. It does align to the Irish curriculum. You can specify that when you sign up. It will ask you whether you're junior cycle or senior cycle. It doesn't matter. You can change them as you go around. Now, the only thing is you don't get a free trial of all the tools. You have to pay for to use all the tools. Now, there are a number of free tools which are quite good. One of my favorites is Concept Explainer. So, like, there's a whole lot of series of tools you can scroll through there and see all the grayed out ones are the ones that you have to pay for, and they're constantly adding new ones. I'm just going to view the free tools. Now, the one I want here is Concept Explainer. So Concept Explainer, put in your concept and it will build the knowledge you need to explain it to your students. So I'm going to go with a junior cycle. I can, like, it could be senior cycle, could be primary. I know it's junior cycle for this year group. I'm going working with as my second years, and it's with technology. And the concept is the difference between a natural forest and a managed forest. So I've set the curriculum, I've set the year group, I've set the subject, and I've set the concept I want to explain. So generate, take about a minute or two to do that. Defines what a natural forest is, gives the features, and gives an analogy. Tells me what a managed forest is, why understanding the difference is important. Activities that you could do, right? Refine, what would you like to add? Now, these are some of the things. So I've asked it to include an example of a natural forest in Ireland. So I'm going to refine that and rebuild its note. Right, so it's regenerated and it's given me a local example of a natural park. Well, local is near enough to be 40 minutes drive, so the kids would know where that is. So now what do I do with that? I can now decide whether I want to download it as a Word doc, export it to Google Docs, export to OneDrive, copy the whole thing to a clipboard and paste it somewhere else. So things we're Google School, I'm going to export it to a Google Doc. Now it does create its own folder inside your Google Drive. At the moment it's in Word doc format, right? So I'm just going to save that as a Google Doc. So that from that Google Doc then, I can brisk that to create notes, as we've done in other videos, create a worksheet, create a quiz, create a PowerPoint or Google Slide, create a brisk activity. So like one of the videos there, which is quite good, is this: create 7 things in 10 minutes. You can do that with this, from this.